In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your headphones during a Zoom meeting. Whether you're using wired headphones or Bluetooth ones, ensuring you're set up correctly can drastically improve your virtual meeting experience. First and foremost, let's get started by plugging in your headphones. If you have wired headphones, connect them to your computer's headphone jack or a USB port, depending on what type of connection they support. For those of you who are using Bluetooth headphones, you'll need to make sure they're paired with your device. If you haven't paired them yet, go to your device's Bluetooth settings and connect them now. Once they're connected or plugged in, we're ready to head over to Zoom. Now, open the Zoom application on your device. If you don't have it already installed, you can download it from the official Zoom website. Once you have Zoom up and running, go ahead and join a meeting. This can be any meeting, a scheduled one, or even a test meeting you create yourself to ensure you get the settings right. Once you've joined the meeting, it's time to select your headphones as your audio device to make sure everything is set to the right output. Look at the bottom left corner of your Zoom window, and you'll notice the mute/unmute button. To the right of this button, there is a small all-band arrow. Click on this arrow to access more audio options. In the list that appears, you'll see two important areas. Select a microphone and select a speaker. First, go to the Select a Microphone section if your headphones have a built-in microphone. Your headphone's microphone should appear in that list. Click to select it. This will set your headphones as the microphone and will enable you to talk through them during your meeting. Next, move to the Select a Speaker section. Here, you'll want to find and select your headphones' audio output. This ensures that all sounds during the meeting, including voices and any shared audio, play through your headphones. By setting the speaker to your headphones, you minimize the chances of feedback or unwanted background noise affecting your meeting experience. And there you have it. Your headphones should now be connected and fully functional for use in your Zoom meeting. This setup can greatly enhance the clarity of your audio, both for hearing and speaking, making virtual meetings much smoother. If you ever encounter any issues, make sure to double-check your connections and audio settings both in Zoom and on your device. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get your headphones connected seamlessly.